Good Thursday, everyone. Looking at our USA Mortgage level of concern, we are level 0 again today. It's not too hot. We don't have storms to worry about. It's a no weather worry day on the Cumberland Plateau. Clearview Closet and Blind brings us our 5-day forecast, and partly to mostly sunny skies will roll the forecast right on through Monday. We will introduce a very slight chance for a shower or storm by the heat of the afternoon on Saturday, also on Sunday. Now, many other forecasts are not calling for that, but when you start increasing humidity on the Cumberland Plateau and you get us up near 90 degrees, there's going to be a shower or storm somewhere. So just be aware of that, because I know many of you probably have outdoor plans for the holiday weekend. And just keep an eye on the sky. Check that radar every once in a while. Just make sure you're nowhere near a storm, and be ready to seek shelter just in case one does come into your area. So, like I said, temperatures are going to be warm. Today's going to be in the mid to upper 80s and lower humidity. Humidity is not too bad on Friday, on the 4th of July, but it will be starting to creep up just a bit, especially by the evening. And then by the weekend, the winds switch out of the south, as you see there, lightly so, but out of the south nonetheless, which brings moisture up from the Gulf of Mexico, and that starts increasing our humidity. By Monday, we start seeing a disturbance come over, and that will really help kick off some showers and thunderstorms, at least a 50% chance at this time for showers and storms on our Monday. Looking at the tropics, those of you who may have plans to head to the coast, it now looks like the Gulf Coast is going to be okay. That system of interest, that whole area of disturbed weather is now migrating more up into the Atlantic portion of the ocean. So if you have plans, though, on the east coast of Florida, up to the coast of Georgia, coast of South Carolina, North Carolina, you're going to want to keep an eye on the forecast over the next couple of days or so, as there is now a 60% chance of a tropical storm developing somewhere in that vicinity over the next 24 to 48 hours or so. On this day in weather history, brought to us by Bramble Travel, 1987, lightning struck and killed 3 men playing golf on a course near Kingsport, Tennessee. That's over in East Tennessee. The 3 men had sought shelter from the rain under a tall tree on a small hill. 1989, this image of Neptune was returned by NASA's Voyager 2 spacecraft when it was 47 million miles from Neptune. Voyager 2 is still the only spacecraft to have visited Neptune. And wow, that's still a long way from Neptune, but my goodness, I guess that's close in space. That is close in space terms. You folks have a wonderful Thursday, and keep looking up. For more weather information, meteorologistmark.com.